Hello! In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the Build tab. Weebly has 5 content pages located on the top navigation bar. They are the Build, Design, Pages, Store, and Settings tab. In this lesson, we are going to concentrate on the use of the Build tab. The Build Editor tab is the first tab found on the left of the top navigation bar. Let's go ahead and click on the Build tab. You should see a page that looks similar to this page, with perhaps a different theme. Within the Build tab, you will find the basic functions you will need to build your website located in the left-hand side panel here. We will be using these functions to do exactly that, to build and create our website. Content elements or page elements, text, images, and photos, maps, and videos can easily be added to your website by simply dragging and dropping them into place. Text is edited just like in Microsoft Word. No software is needed to be installed, no HTML code needs to be learned, and the end result is a professional look. There are currently a total of 8 basic function tabs in the left panel. The title, text, image, gallery, slideshow, map, contact form, and embed code tab. Let's first take a look at the Title tab. With this function, you simply click and change or add titles to your pages. Let's click on Title and drag it into this area. Now you will see this box, and all you need to do is click here and add your title. I'm going to title this course Weebly 101. As you see here, you can use the bold, change the color. I'm happy with black, so I'm going to leave it, and there are a number of other things. You could center it or keep it on the left. Once I have my title, now I'm going to go ahead and add some text. So I click on the text function here and I insert the box, simply click, drag, and drop. And now if I want to add text, I simply click on the text box. If I save something in a Microsoft Word file, I can simply go ahead and control copy this and go back and simply paste it into this section here. Now I have my title and my text. As you see, the text function allows you to insert paragraphs and text simply by copying and pasting already written documents or by typing in new text and documents. Let's add some more text. So all we do is click on text, and we're going to insert another text box below the text we've already added. And here I'm going to go ahead and add my new text. And so here we are, we have more text. I've inserted it here, and again, if I want to bold it, I can, and it's simply click, drag, and drop. So as you see here, we have our additional text, but we also have an additional text box I accidentally added. To delete this, you simply just hover over it and click on this X, and then click delete. It's gone. Now I'm ready to add an image to my website. All I need to do is go over here to the left panel, click on Image, and click, drag, and drop it where I'd like my image to be located. I have already pre-selected an image I'd like to use, and I'm going to simply find my image, click on it, drag it, and drop it. See if that works. There we go. So I can go ahead and minimize this again. And here I have my image located within my website. If you're not satisfied with your image or how it looks, you can simply click on your image and edit your image using the tools provided by Weebly. You can crop your image, rotate your image. Let's try to rotate it and see what happens. Let's do a vertical flip. I guess not. Let's flip it back and click OK. How about the opacity? We could change the opacity simply by scrolling it down, but I like it the way it is, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it. Click OK. And there are other effects. We can turn it into a black and white photo. I kind of like that, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And then I'm going to save my image. And here we have it. My new image. If you're not satisfied with the location of your image, this is another easy thing to do. You simply click on it and you can move it anywhere you like on your page. I think I'd like it right over here in front of in this class. And there I have my new image. The next two functions are the Gallery and Slideshow function tabs. You can use the Gallery tab to create a gallery of photos, and with the Slideshow tab, you can create a slideshow with Weebly Slideshow Maker. Teachers should find this section fun and useful. We will look at these two functions in more detail later. One feature that I think would be fairly useful for teachers is the map feature. I really like this feature. Let's take a look at it. If I click, drag, and drop a map feature box below, what will happen is I will see a location. The default location is San Francisco, but if I click on this red button here, I am going to add the locations that I'd like to see. And let's choose Coastal Carolina University because that is where my course is going to take place. And then once I click on that, let's see what happens. I have Coastal Carolina University. There are a number of things you can do with this. You can change the spacing. I can make it large or small. And if I go back, I can change the position, but I like it on the left-hand side, so I'm going to keep that. I can change the width and height. Again, I can make it either small, medium, or large. I like a large map, so I'm going to include that on my website just like this. This feature could be a great feature for teachers planning events. You could let the parents know where the events are going to take place with this feature. Another option teachers might find useful is the contact form. Simply drag and drop it into your site, and now your parents have a quick and easy means to contact you. The contact form feature easily inserts a pre-made contact form into your site. Let's try it now. Go ahead, click, drag, and drop. Now if I scroll below, you can see here, you can see that my students or parents can contact me. If I click here, I can edit my form. It allows me to add a phone number. Again, I just click and drag and drop, or an address section. I could do that as well. And if I'm not happy with something, let's say if I want to delete something, I simply go hover over it and click on the delete box. And I've decided I don't want an address box, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. These are the only fields I'd like in my contact form, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. And now my students and parents have a way to contact me. The last feature located in the basic build tabs is the embed code. This feature allows you to embed YouTube videos and other videos into your website. We will look at this feature in more detail in an upcoming tutorial. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in another tutorial. Again, this was your Instructor Patience Locke. Please make sure you view our next tutorial using Weebly. Thank you again, and happy website building!